Hello everyone. So this is our second chapter of our subject English, and the name of the chapter is Are You a Vegetarian? Uh, See, this girl is saying my doctor says I will be more healthy with vegetarian food. That's why I choose to be a vegetarian. But what have you decided? Here the author is trying to tell us that vegetarian food also provides us all the nutrients that we have discussed in our first chapter can be given by the vegetarian food also, like a kind of a myth is there, you can say. और कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि if they will eat non-vegetarian food, like if they will have meat, they will have more protein. But in vegetarian food also, this chapter tells us that vegetarian food also provides us protein and other type of nutrients also. You must be going out with your families for dinner, and there what you must have asked for, either you opted for a vegetarian food or you have taken non-vegetarian food. Mostly nowadays people like to eat non-vegetarian food, but here in this chapter we will see that you can be a vegetarian, you can have a vegetarian food, and that is also going to give you nutrients, that is also going to make you healthy and strong. Okay, so let us see the content of the chapter. Let us read first. A vegetarian is a person who does not eat meat or fish. जो इंसान मीट और फिश नहीं खाता है, that person is a vegetarian. People are vegetarians for a number of reasons. Some feel it wrong to kill animals for food. Others believe that a vegetarian diet is healthier than a non-vegetarian diet. Like if you see India, then in India we have many religious belief, and our culture teach us that killing animal is not good. So because of these religious thoughts also, Indian people they don't like to kill the animals and eat them. और कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि vegetarian food is good for being healthy. Some people are vegetarian because of their religious beliefs. We have already discussed this. Most Buddhists, Hindus, Jains, and a number of Christians are vegetarians. In India, you will see all the religions, like most of the religions, they follow the rules of vegetarians. That means they don't like to kill the animals, isn't it? And few Christians are also there who are vegetarians. Some people choose to be a vegetarians for ecological reasons. Now what ecological means? So ecological, it is related to the plants, animals and their environment. So ecological reasons के लिए vegetarian होना मतलब because ecology is a environment where plants, animals, they lives in harmony. एक दूसरे के you can say they complement to each other. एक भी अगर इसमें से यूनिट कम हो जाता है इकोलॉजिकल एस्पेक्ट में, then the environment may face problem. So that is why few people they choose to be a vegetarian, and they argue that the growing of vegetables takes up much less land than a raising of livestock. Moreover, it is easier to provide food for all the people on earth by growing vegetables than by raising vegetable eating animals. See, whatever, like if you are having a meat, if you are having a um, meat of a if you're having a chicken, if you're having a fish, then what happens that to raise these animals you need to have a larger space, you need to grow some vegetables to feed them also. So it takes much space for raising the vegetable eating animal, and then they are provided as our food. So that is why people, they avoid non-vegetarian food and they go for vegetarian food. Raising, it means breeding and taking care of. And the livestock, here we have one word called as livestock. So livestock, animals kept on farm for sample cows or sheep. Livestock, like it is the um, like some plant eating animals which are kept on a farm. Okay. Modern medical advice also favors vegetarian food. Nowadays, the techniques, or you can say beliefs of medical terms, also are changing and they are also favoring vegetarian food. Medical men Medical men advise people to cut down on fat, salt, and sugar. They nowadays, they do not recommend to eat more fat, more salt, and more sugar. They just tell us to have more and more proteins along with little carbohydrate so that we can be in a healthier position. So they recommend fresh vegetables which are rich in fiber and keep digestion in good order, because fiber is very essential for digesting the other nutrient. Okay. Moreover, vegetables are a lot cheaper than meat. You must have gone to market and you must have observed that buying 1 kg of meat is much more costlier than buying 1 kg of vegetable, right? So that is also a reason almost everyone can afford to buy them. That means vegetables can be bought by everyone, but not everyone can afford to buy meat, right? So this is also a reason why people are choosing vegetarian food over the non-vegetarian food. In rich countries, there has been a tremendous increase in the demand of meat. It has resulted in number of problems. It has become the biggest cause of deforestation as more and more land is being cleared for raising livestock. Deforestation is cutting down or burning of trees in an area. So like rich rich countries are there, and there is a demand of meat. So ऐसी countries में क्या होता है that they do deforestation. That is, when they want to grow the livestock, that is the those plant eating animals, when they want to grow it or raise it, so for that they require much more land. And वो land कहाँ से आएगी अब? जंगल को काट के, right? There will be a lot of deforestation, cutting down of trees, which is also not good for environment. To produce 1 kilogram of animal meat, we need 7 kilograms, of which needs 7,000 liters of water to grow. क्योंकि अगर हमें 1 किलोग्राम एनिमल मीट चाहिए, then what we need to do is हमें 7,000 लीटर पानी उसे देना पड़ता है. As more and more water is being used for raising pigs and chickens for food, millions of our wells are going dry. So ज़्यादा पानी लग रहा है. 7,000 अगर सिर्फ 7 किलोग्राम के लिए लग रहा है, then if you want to grow pigs and chickens for meat on a larger scale, तो उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पानी लगेगा. Millions of wells are going dry because of this reason. Mass production, it means a large amount. So large amount production. Mass production of meat has also become a huge source of pollution. Farm animals in the United States produce 130 times more waste than people do. Because of this high production of meat, pollution का खतरा भी बढ़ रहा है. Waste products भी बहुत ज़्यादा accumulate हो रहे हैं environment में, isn't it? It means one example is given by the author that United States में 130 times ज़्यादा कचरा जमा हो गया है. One farm in Utah, Utah is a state of USA. It produces more cage than the whole city of Los Angeles. मतलब इस एक छोटे से शहर में ही पूरी लॉस एंजलिस, जितना भी बड़ा शहर होगा लॉस एंजलिस, उतना वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट जमा हो गया है. Livestock waste has been responsible for the death of fish in our rivers and oceans. अब ये जो वेस्ट है ये कहाँ बहाया जा रहा है? ये जा रहा है रिवर्स और ओशंस में, right? And there we have fishes, and because of this these fishes are dying. In some areas it has polluted our drinking water also, and sometimes we drink that water only. वही रिवर या रिवर का पानी हमारे घरों में भी आता है, so drinking water is also getting polluted. Eating a lot of meat can lead to a number of health problems. बहुत ज़्यादा जब आप मीट खाते हैं, लाइक डेली बेसिस पे जब मीट खाते हैं, देन क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती है. It increased obesity, such as increased obesity, heart disease, and various forms of cancer. That you may have a cancer. You may come across certain heart diseases, and there will be a problem of obesity. That means fat content, fat accumulation ज़्यादा जब हो जाता है body में, that condition is obesity, which is also dangerous for your heart. The various chemicals fed to livestock these days are also a matter of serious concern. और अभी in like days में, nowadays people are dependent on the chemicals when they want to raise the livestock. So if these livestock are getting accumulated with the chemicals, and then when we are eating that animal we also get some traces of those chemicals, which is not good for your health. The long-term effect of eating meat from these animals can be terrible. बहुत दिनों तक अगर हम खाते हैं तो like near future we can have many problems because of eating lots of meat. Some people argue that vegetarian food can be short of protein, but this is not true. Plenty of protein can be obtained from such articles as peas, beans, nuts, seeds, pulses, cereals, soya and milk products. कुछ लोग का मानना है कि वेजिटेरियन फूड में, हमने पहले भी बोला कि वेजिटेरियन फूड ज़्यादा प्रोटीन प्रोवाइड नहीं करते हैं, बट दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट करेक्ट, दिस इज ऑल्सो नॉट ट्रू. We have many things which can provide us protein. Vegetarians have invented for themselves high protein vegetables food such as peanut butter, cornflakes and muesli. Like nowadays vegetarians also, they have their uh, portion of high protein, and they have developed certain vegetable food that will give them more protein. Muesli, it is a mixture of grains, nut and dried fruit, etc., served with the milk and eaten for breakfast. Nowadays, people are using muesli as their breakfast, which has many grains. So, many grains along with certain nuts and dried food. So, that is going to give them high protein. In fact, vegetarian products are rich in all kinds of nutrients. Like a single vegetable gives you minerals, will give you vitamins along with the protein and carbohydrates also. So a single vegetable is useful for many nutrients. Leafy and root vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fibers that help to keep our digestion working properly. लीफी वेजिटेबल से और रूट वेजिटेबल से फाइबर्स आ रहे हैं जो बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस के लिए. Vegetarians can obtain iron from dried fruit, pulses, oats, nuts, and brown rice. So the source of iron also is there. They can obtain calcium from cheese, nuts, sesame seeds, green leafy vegetables, and soya. Calcium is also available from certain food. Potatoes contain starches which the body can burn up to make energy. And potatoes, a good source for the carbohydrate which will give you energy. Do you know the elephant is biggest and the strongest of the land animal and is vegetarian? It kills no animal for its food. So the author is trying to tell us if the elephant is so smart that it is not killing any animal for its food, then why we humans are doing so, isn't it? So the author is trying to tell us that we have many options in the vegetarian food. Also we have many products which will give us high protein, which will gives us many minerals, vitamins, along with the carbohydrate and the little amount of fat that is required for our body. So everything is provided by the vegetarian food. Then why to kill an animal and have a non-vegetarian food? So that was all about the chapter called as Are You a Vegetarian?